having a clear sense of our values, who we are, our identity, and our purpose, defined a little bit more clearly as what we call the vision for our lives itself. Welcome. Today's talk is about Ikigai, and that is a Japanese word that defines it as the reason you wake up each morning. What is our own reason for being, or what is the reason we wake up for each day? What is our Ikigai or our purpose itself? Other thing to think about is, can purpose change? How do we live out our purpose each day, right? I just want to introduce two simple concepts for us, two metaphors, two images, if you will. Live our life with what we call a clock, through commitments, appointments, schedules, and so on and so forth. And the other image I want to share with all of us is, are we also living our life with a compass, having a clear sense of our values, who we are, our identity, and our purpose, defined a little bit more clearly as what we call the vision for our lives itself. When there is a gap between what we call the clock and the compass, there is no alignment, and the challenge is you may not end up going where you want to go. Let me step you through what is important so that this part of the session can be a practical first step for yourself. So visualize where you like to be, what you see for the future, be as descriptive as you can, and be aspirational, because you want to think about, what does my family life look like in 5 years' time? What does my professional career life look like in 5 years' time? You may not be there yet, but what would really be exciting for you even as you think about this area? Please know it must be meaningful to you. There's no right or wrong per se.